Hello guys, welcome back to Master T. Guys, you know that everybody wants to speak English because English is the need of today's time. So that is why we all want to learn English. But what is the right direction? What is the correct way to learn English? And that is which I have found in my life, that is practice. In today's session, these guys will show you how to practice English at your home. Guys, remember one thing, we all have been learning English since our childhood because we want to learn English desperately. But the problem is that we are not able to speak English even till today. So what is the actual reason? The actual reason is that we are not able to practice in the right directions. So that is why what is my experience talks about, that without practice you cannot speak English. So that is why practice makes a man perfect. So today there are some girls who belong to a village and they have been learning English at our institute for a long time, and let's see that how much English they know. So that is why I am gonna call one by one and they will show you how to practice tenses, modals and all the topics which are from English. So you need to copy them, guys. We all know basics of tenses, basics of modals, basics of be verbs and has have, but how to practice them, how to make sentences and how to bring the words from our mouth, that is very important. So today we will practice past tense, completely past tense, because when we talk about our experience we need to use second form of the verb, we need to use was, were, had and had been. So these are the 3 to 4 helping verbs which will help you to speak, to talk about past. So that is why they are very much ready to come in front of you. So without wasting time, let's call them one by one.
Hello friends, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. My name is Rekha Prajapat. Ask me any question.
मैंने अंग्रेजी पढ़ाई.
My question is मैंने अंग्रेजी पढ़ाई. I taught English. I did not teach English. Did I teach English? Did I not teach English? I was teaching English. I was not teaching English. Was I teaching English? Was I not teaching English? I had taught English. I had not taught English. Had I taught English? Had I not taught English? I had been teaching English since morning. I had not been teaching English since morning. Had I been teaching English since morning? Had I not been teaching English since morning? Thank you.
Morning friends.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. My name is Tanisha Patil. Today my topic is past tense. Ask me sentence.
मैंने क्रिकेट खेला.
मैंने क्रिकेट खेला. I played cricket. I did not play cricket. Did I play cricket? Did I not play cricket? I was playing cricket. I was not playing cricket. Was I playing cricket? Was I not playing cricket? I had played cricket. I had not played cricket. Had I played cricket? Had I not played cricket? I had been playing cricket since morning. I had not been playing cricket since morning. Had I been playing cricket since morning? Had I not been playing cricket since morning? Thank you. Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Bhagyashree Rathore. Today topic is past tense. Ask me first question.
मेरे भाई ने क्लास तोड़ा.
My sentence is मेरे भाई ने क्लास तोड़ा. My brother broke glass. My brother did not break glass. Did my brother break glass? Did my brother not break glass? मेरे भाई ग्लास तोड़ रहा था. My brother was breaking glass. My brother was not breaking glass. Was my brother breaking glass? Was my brother breaking not breaking glass? मेरा भाई ग्लास तोड़ चुका था. My brother had broken glass. My brother had not broken glass. Had my brother broken glass? Had my brother not broken glass? मेरा भाई सुबह से ग्लास तोड़ रहा था. My brother had been breaking glass since morning. My brother had not been breaking glass since morning. Had my brother been breaking glass since morning? Had my brother not been breaking glass since morning? Thank you.
Friends, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Kirti Birla. Today my topic is past tense. Please ask me question. उसने कार खरीदी. He bought car. He did not buy car. Did he buy car? Did he not buy car? Why did he buy car? Why did he not buy car? वह कार खरीद रहा था. He was buying car. He was not buying car. Was he buying car? Was he not buying car? He bought car. He had bought car. He had not bought car. Had he bought car? Had he not bought car? Why had he bought car? Why had he not bought car? He had been buying car for 2 days. He had not been buying car for 2 days. Had he been buying car for 2 days? Had he not been buying car for 2 days? Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine.
I am also fine. My name is Rinku Bhaskare. My today topic is past tense. Please ask me question.
मैंने खाना बनाया.
My question is मैंने खाना बनाया. I cook food. I cooked food. I did not cook food. Did I cook food? Did I not cook food? मैं खाना बना रही थी. I were cooking food. I was cooking food. I was not cooking food. Was I cooking food? Was I not cooking food? मैं खाना बना चुकी थी. I had cooked food. I had not cooked food. I had cooked food. Had I cooked food? Had I not cooked food? मैं सुबह से खाना बना रही थी. I had been cooking food since morning. I had not cooking food since morning. Had I cooking food since morning? Had I not cooking food since morning? Thank you, sir.
Friends, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine.
I am also fine. My name is Mehar Khan. My today's topic past tense. Please ask me question.
मैंने पेड़ काटे.
मैंने पेड़ काटे. I cut the trees. I did not cut the trees. Did I cut the trees? Did I not cut the trees? Why did I cut the trees? Why did I not cut the trees? मैंने पेड़ काटे. मैं पेड़ काट रही थी. I was cutting trees. I was not cutting trees. Was I cutting trees? Was I not cutting trees? Why was I cutting trees? Why was I not cutting trees? मैंने पेड़ काट चुकी थी. I had cut the trees. I had not cut the trees. Had I cut the trees? Had I not cut the trees? Why had I cut the trees? Why had I not cut the trees? मैं सुबह से पेड़ काट रही थी. I had been cutting the trees since morning. I had not cutting the trees since morning. Had I cutting the trees since morning? Had I not cutting the trees since morning? Why?
We are fine. And you?
I am fine. My name is Minu Soni. Today my topic is past tense. So please ask my sentence.
हमने अंग्रेजी बोली.
My sentence is हमने अंग्रेजी बोली. We spoke English. We did not speak English. Did we speak English? Did we not speak English? हमने अंग्रेजी बोली. हम अंग्रेजी बोल रहे थे. We were speaking English. We were not speaking English. Were we speaking English? Were we not speaking English? हम अंग्रेजी बोल चुके थे. We spoken English. We had spoken English. We had not spoken English. Had we spoken English? Had we not spoken English? हम सुबह से अंग्रेजी बोल रहे थे. We speaking English. We had been speaking English since morning. We had not been speaking English since morning. Had we been speaking English since morning? Had we not been speaking English since morning? Thank you.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine.
I am also fine. My name is Mamta Anjali. My topic is past tense. Please ask me question.
हमने गरीबों की मदद की.
हमने गरीबों की मदद की. We helped poor. We did not help poor. Did we help poor? Did we not help poor? We helping poor. We were helping poor. We were not helping poor. Were we helping poor? Were we not helping poor? We had helped poor. We had not helped poor. Had we helped poor? Had we not helped poor? We had been helping poor since morning. We had not been helping poor since morning. Had we been helping poor since morning. Had we not been helping poor since morning?
Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, fine. And you?
I am also fine. My name is Shivani Mallar. Today is my topic past tense. Ask my sentence. My sentence is मैंने घर साफ किया. I cleaned home. I did not clean home. Did I clean home? Did I not clean home? मैं घर साफ कर रही थी. I was cleaning home. I was not cleaning home. Was I cleaning home? Was I not cleaning home? मैं घर साफ कर रही हूँ. मैं घर साफ कर चुकी थी. I had cleaned home. I had not cleaned home. Had I cleaned home? Had I not cleaned home? मैं सुबह से घर साफ कर रही थी. I had been cleaning home since morning. I had not been cleaning home since morning. Had I been cleaning home since morning? Had I not been cleaning home since morning? Thank you.